Ẹ káàbọ̀, ṣe dáadáa ni. In our last lesson, we learned the Yoruba vowels and the three tonal sounds do, re, mi. But today, we will go a bit more deeper and practice slowly together because tones can change the meaning of a word completely if care is not taken. While you follow, please hit the subscribe button and drop a comment so we can grow this Yoruba learning community together. Make sure you stay to the end for a speaking challenge so you can drop your answer and get a shout out in the next video. Let's go. Now we'll be looking at some similar spellings with different tones and different meaning. And this will make us to understand how tones can affect the meaning of a word if it's been pronounced incorrectly. But don't forget your three tonal sound. Do is a slant to the left hand side, the lowest. Re has no mark, the middle tone. And mi, the highest, and to the right hand side. Now, I would like you to pay close attention to the spellings on the screen. The first one has two vowels with do sign, and that means we have to pronounce it twice. That gives us do, do. You hum it again, mm. Now you use this to pronounce the word o, wo. Can you try that? Owo means business or trade. The sign on the second word here is mid and high, middle and the highest. Re, mi, re, mi. So you use this tone to pronounce the word. O, wo. Owo is money. You will notice the difference between the third and the second word here is a dotted hole. Dotted hole makes a difference. We are using the same tone for the second one to pronounce the third one. And that will give us o, wo. Can you pronounce yours? Perfect. Also, look at the same spellings with different meaning. That is why it is important for you to always watch out for the vowels, the marks on it, and the dotted letters for proper pronunciation. The tone on the first one is mid and low, and that is re, do. That gives us o, be. Don't forget it's not regular ho, but dotted ho. So it has to sound o, and the e is dotted as well. O, be. Obe is called soup. Can I hear you say hobe? Thank you. And the tone on the last one here is do, re, low and mid. Do, re, and that is o, be. Now, let's quickly make a very short sentence. Money means I have. I have money. Is money owo? Wow. Can you see that we just formed the sentence? Now it's your turn. Make a short sentence using one of the words you've learned today with money and put it in the comment section below. A very big thank you to Martins for your beautiful comment on the last video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Ó dàbọ̀.